Namaste everyone and hello everyone. My name is Poonam Singh and I'm making today for Indian traditional food. I hope you will like that. And this time is COVID, but this little bit is start to normal is good for everyone, and I hope everyone enjoy. Now I today tell you what I'm cooking is something vegetable for butter. You know that one, everyone know it here making. So I'm making for this vegetable curry and something little bread. So I hope you will like that. Now we're making vegetable butterscotch vegetables. So I cut and peel. I peel and small but little cut. So we need masalas, chili flag, turmeric powder, black salt, coriander powder and fenugreek seed, green chili, some coriander leaf, and this one is mango. You don't have mango, so you buy mango powder in Tesco everywhere, and some white salt when you like to taste for, and oil. This one for vegetable ingredient we making today. Now another one we making small one bread. So you buy any shop is plain flour, and this is flour. So I will be put is 2 ball or 3 ball, anyone would like you. You put the salt, little bit oil in this flour, and you will make a dough with water. It's soft water, not hard, not soft. It's medium like that. This is water. So now we're making now. Cooking for vegetable. So one pan, we warm this pan. So we put oil. How much you like, but I will make 20 people today, so I'm making little bit much oil, but you will cooking little bit, so you will take little bit oil. Now this one is oil maybe warm, then will be start to some this is heifer seed, and this one fenugreek seed. So we use that first. Will be oil is when is warm. We put some seed. That this seed is we need proper for this vegetable. And when is this one brown, then I'll put that fungus powder. This is now is look at this brown color start and bubbling. Now not cook much, we put this powder and this vegetable. I put that vegetable, this butterscotch. Now we put some masalas, is turmeric powder, this turmeric powder, and coriander powder. Coriander powder needs much, and chili flag, and little bit black salt, and white salt for taste. This one for masala we put and make it mix that. This one is mixed properly, all masalas and everything. Then after we cover for a while because we need little bit cook. This one vegetable we check what is there. So it's a little bit mixed there. I mix with coriander leaf and chili, green chili, and after that is not cooked properly now, so we cover again 10 15 minutes. Okay, so when you proper cook, then will be put that after that. Not take this ball karai, and this is warm so karai, so we put oil for, because this bread we make fried like a puri, you know puri. So when is now, I think that is okay for we fry, and this one we use after. Then is oil is warm. Now is a little bit is cooked that, so it's not proper cooked. So we put in there is this mango pieces and coriander leaf, and after that we mix and mix after 15 minutes more, cover that. Warm, when is warm we starting. Now this dough we doing is a little bit oil in hand, then we make little dough pieces that like that. And round, we do round like that. Don't use anything, but we use oil just, so we making like that, not big one, a small bit, any small piece. You not want to round is okay. Any shape, don't worry. Now I make that one puri like a small piece, then will be put in the oil. Oil is warm, so this is fried, and after that, look at here, this color is coming here. It's very slowly is fried. Look at here. And we'll put another one in butter. This one is puri. We're saying puri. It's Indian bread. We show you how to do that. This is bread and that is curry. So this is my food.